Today we will do an exercise about creating an instruction for by using numbers going from 1 to 1000. We will add each number that can be divided by 3 and 5, and for the numbers that fill the conditions above, we will display them. So those who can be divided by 3 and 5, and at the end, doing a break on the loop once you found 5 numbers that fulfill the condition. And after leaving the loop, display the sum of the numbers that fulfill the conditions as well. Ready? Then let's go. We are going to create two variables and initialize to 0. So int count equals to 0 and int sum equals to 0. Then we create the loop going from 1 to 1000. So for between parentheses int I equals to 1, semicolon I less or equal to 1000, semicolon I++. Now what we want to do is add every numbers that can be divided by 3 and 5 after increasing by increments the variables count and display the numbers we found. First, we check if the number is divisible by 3 and 5. We will go here and type if parentheses and parentheses again I%3 equals to 0 and parentheses again I%5 equals to 0. Here we check if the number is divisible by 3 and we do the operator AND to check if the number is divisible by 5 as well. As a reminder, the operator AND is true if the two conditions are true. We increase by increments the variables count, so count plus plus and sum plus equal to I. That will add the value as we go along so that we can display it. And we display number found equals to plus I. What we want to do now is do a if that will do a test in order to see if we really found 5 numbers. So if parentheses count equals to 5 and then break. So if we found 5 numbers, we get out of the for loop. And after the for loop, we display the sum of the numbers. Now we run the code. And as we can see, we have 5 numbers, 15, 30, 45, 60, and 75. They are divisible by 3 and 5. And finally, we have the total of all those 5 numbers. It was all for this challenge. See you next video.